Next I'm going to solder my band ring together, and when I place the band on the soldering brick, I'm going to make sure that the seam is at the bottom. If your ring leans a certain way where the seam isn't directly at the bottom, you may need to use these steel pins that are in the tackle box, and you stick the pins into the brick and they can help wedge the band ring to be in a certain position. So other than that, mine looks like it's okay. I'll add some flux to the seam. And then I'm going to add a piece of solder. And the solder is going to go directly across the seam, just like when we edge solder. So just like that. Now I just used a piece of hard solder because maybe I'll go back later and add something. That's a possibility. But if you are happy with your band ring the way that it is and you will not change it later, you can just use easy solder or any solder. Next, I'm going to light my torch. Going to heat the brick up. Working slowly around the metal. Okay, my solder is, my flux is starting to turn white. Okay, and I'm going to circle right around the ring, and I'm going to angle my flame so that it's angling at the bottom where the solder is. Keep my flame moving. Okay, and now what I'll have to do is quench and pickle, and then I will have to file down any extra solder that is left on the band.